Looking at the Astro Excel view for the month of September, just did the weekly for the first 6 days of the month. We've got a peak at plus 10 here on the 2nd, then we're down on the 4th to 5 a.m., pushing up to the 5th at 2300. Then we have this down move into the 7th, which pivots back up at 1900. Then we're going to make a strong run up to the 20 line on the 9th at 2300, and that double taps at 2 a.m. on the 11th. Then we're pushing down. We cut below the 0 line on the 12th, and then we have a consolidation between 0 and minus 10 all the way to the 13th to the end of the day session, and then we're back up to the 14th at 1600. Then we have this 3-wave downward type pattern going into the 17th, into the early morning of the 18th, and then we get a strong push back up from 2 a.m. on the 18th all the way to the plus 20 line on the 19th at 1 a.m. And then we're moving down into the 21st at 8 a.m. to a tap on the 22nd, a little double tap here that completes on the 22nd at 6 a.m. down to the 23rd at 3 a.m. and then we're going to move up to bouncing around the 0 line from the 24th until about 2000 on the 24th, and then we're down to the 25th at 7 a.m. and we've got to push back up to the 5 area on the 26th at 5 a.m. and bouncing sideways in slightly positive pressure until 2200 on the 26th. Then we're pushing down to the 28th where we're hanging out here about minus 17, minus 18 until 8 a.m. on the 28th. Then we've got to move back up to 2100, a little drop down, hanging around below the 0 line to the 30th at midnight or 0 hour, and then back up for the rest of the day on the 30th. So that's the general overall picture for the month of September.